Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is way to play and win in 2 moves. So it's basically mate in 2 and your job is to find checkmate in 2 moves. So guys, like every day, pause the video and cast a move. Okay, so I hope you didn't play queen to h1 check, because now black can make a queen and this is just a draw, right? So it's going to be just a draw. So this is obviously not the solution. And the other thing you may probably play is bishop to d2, and this forces black to the f1 square, and you are going to play queen to h1. Now this is better, but this is not mate in 2, right? You can mate like this, but this is mate in 4, right? You played 4 moves. So the challenge is to deliver checkmate in only 2 moves. And the correct move is to play bishop to e3. I congratulate you for those who found the move. So what's going on here in this position? First, if black promotes like this, bishop to a d2 is checkmate, right? The king can't escape that way, and there is a queen just controlling the escaping routes. So the other thing is if the king moves like this, and you can deliver checkmate by simply capturing the pawn. So this is the solution. This one is quite easy, guys. I upload similar chess puzzle videos, typically long videos, long studies with clear explanation. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.